In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy hosting. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your GoDaddy account. Make sure you are signed in before moving forward, because that will allow you to view the hosting options connected to your profile and complete the purchase process smoothly. If you are not logged in yet, simply sign in and wait for your account dashboard to load fully. Once you are inside your account, look for the main menu area and click the icon that gives you access to the available services. From there, select Hosting and then choose WordPress. This is the section where GoDaddy shows you hosting-related products and plan information, especially if you are looking to set up WordPress hosting. After you open that section, you will be able to find the details of your current hosting plans. This area is useful because it helps you review what is already active on your account, if anything is active at all. Take a moment to look through the information carefully so you understand whether you are purchasing a new plan or managing an existing one. This can help avoid confusion, especially if you already have another hosting product in your account. In that same area, you should also see the available options for different hosting plans. GoDaddy usually presents several choices depending on the features you need. For example, some plans may offer more storage, better performance, or support for higher traffic. The important thing here is to look through the available plans and decide which one fits your website needs best. If you are just starting out, you may want a simpler plan, while larger or growing websites may benefit from a more advanced option. On my side, that purchase option is not visible, but on your screen, you should simply click the option to purchase a hosting plan. Once you see it, go ahead and select the plan you prefer. Take your time here and make sure you are choosing the right one based on your goals, budget, and the type of website you want to build. That's the basic process for buying GoDaddy hosting through your account. The key is to sign in, navigate to the Hosting and WordPress section, review your current hosting details, and then choose the plan that works best for you. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll be ready to move forward with your hosting purchase.